Okay, guess what we have here today. So let us see. So basically just now we went fishing and we managed to get this beautiful guy named Krabby. Only one of them. First you wash Krabby. Okay, boil some water, put some salt in. And let's put Krabby inside and wait for 11 minutes. It has been 11 minutes. Close the fire. Bring Krabby out soon. Okay, now open the lid. Oh, there you go. That's Krabby. So you take Krabby and you put him inside cold water. So that's the body. That's the part of the body. You are doing this because you want to make sure that the meat is separated easily from the shell. Okay, just wait for 1 minute until it cools down. Okay, we have finally blanched the crab, cooking it for about 8 minutes, and after that we dip it in cold water. So this is what we get, the entire crab. So so basically this I don't really like this. I don't know what you call this. So it actually comes out from the crab. So you first rip this one open and rip the body out. Look at that. Okay, so those are the butter, the crab butter. So just put it aside. These are the part that you can actually eat. Just put the parts that you can actually eat. So these are the gills. You cannot eat the gills, so just take it out. Take the gills out. So take the gills out. Okay. Okay, so this is the part of crab that you can actually eat. Okay, so this is it. The clean part of the crab. So just put it aside. And then these are all eatable. You can actually eat this. Okay, next you take the scissors and you crack the crab into two. Okay, those are the butter. You don't want to lose the butter. These are the part of crabs that you want to use. So you put back in the shell, and then what you're doing here is actually you're going to take off the meat of the crab. Okay, actually use your hand. It's quite messy, yes I know. So take out the meat. So look at that big chunk of meat. So you put the meat inside the head, inside the shell. So okay, put more meat inside the shell. Okay, so you are taking out the meat, put it in the shell. That's done. Oh, I missed this. Okay. Okay, pause. Okay, these are only half of the body. We're gonna take out the other half now. Okay, so this is the leg part. So you can actually open it up with a scissor, and you open the leg part and take the meat and put it inside. So this is an example. This is the leg part. This is the entire leg. So you take it out like that. So you just put in your scissor inside the leg and take out the meat and transfer the meat to the shell. Okay, how many more legs do we have? I have 2 more legs to go. And I guess my wife is hungry by now.
Super.
Just by looking at how I'm doing this. Get that. Okay, that's the leg. Is there any other legs? No, there's not much meat inside there. That's the last leg. So that's it. Now we are left with the, okay, so these are all full of meat, crab meat. Oh, I forgot, I still have this part, the claw. So let me see whether we can use the scissors to open the claw or not. Oh, it works. Needs to crack open the claw. Whoa, look at that. Those are all the claw meat. Just pull it gently and put it in the head. Distribute it evenly. Press it a bit. Oh, this is the hard part. I don't think my scissors can actually go through the claw. But let us try. No, doesn't work. So I need to crack it with a hammer or something. So here we go. We have the entire crab inside a shell. So you just put back the crab butter. Okay, so basically we're gonna take this Italian Hamburg mozzarella. So just open this up and stuff it inside the crab. And look at that. You're stuffing the mozzarella in the crab. And I guess, as I say, one is not enough. So you take another one. Just put it on top like that. Next, you're gonna take this crab and put it in the air fryer with the cheese. Just put it in the air fryer and cook it for, I guess, 5 minutes is enough. Okay, after 5 minutes, I guess that's it. So we open up to see our crab. Look at that. So we take this crab out from the oven and put it on the plate. So our stuffed crab is finally ready. Let me try to bring up. It's like this. Stuffed crab in melted mozzarella cheese. So let us see. So we're going, oh, look at that. Oh my god. Should I try first or should I give my wife first? The first bite. I guess I give my wife. It's quite hard. How is it?
Good.
Oh,
Good.
this is the crab. Superb.
It's pretty good.
Sedap.
Nak lagi?
Tak gambar, tak gambar. Tak gambar macam ni. Wow. the taste is superb.